Hello, sixth grade. So today we're going to be reviewing tape diagrams because a lot of us are still making little errors with tape diagrams on the benchmark, and we want to make sure that we're really good at them for the assessment coming up. So the first problem, and because I won't be pulling small groups today to help individually, I am going to go through more problems so that we can make sure we all get it. So the first problem says, at Renew Dolores T. Arian, the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 5. If there were 36 girls in the grade, how many boys were there? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is set up my tape diagram. So the ratio of girls to boys is 4 to 5. So I can set up drawing 4 boxes for girls and 5 boxes for guys. What I know is the number of girls in the grade. There were 36 girls in the grade. That means that this part of the diagram equals 36. So there were 36 girls. So I have 36, and there are 4 boxes to represent girls. That means the 36 needs to be split up evenly into 4 boxes. If we're splitting up evenly, that means we're dividing, because dividing is splitting into equal groups. So it's 36 divided into 4 boxes, we'll have 9. Because in the tape diagram, the same number goes in every single box, I will have 9 in all the boxes down here as well. So now the question is, how many boys are there? So I need to know how many of these boxes together all add up to, and it will be 45. So make sure you write this as a complete sentence as well. There are 45 boys in the grade. All right, now let's look at the next one. So number 2, so the one that we just did was a part-to-part ratio. We knew one part, and we used that to figure out the other part. So number 2 says, at Sci Academy, the ratio of girls to boys is 2 to 3. So girls to boys. And it says if there were 12 boys in the grade, how many girls were there? So this, again, is a part-to-part ratio. So I know how many girls there are, or I know how many boys there are in the grade, sorry. There are 12 boys in the grade. That means that this part of the tape diagram equals 12. Now again, we're taking 12 and we're splitting it up into 3 boxes so that these 3 boxes add up to 12. That means that I will need to have 12 divided by 3, which is 4 in each box, because 4 3 times gets us to 12. Then I need to figure out what goes in these boxes up here. I know that the number in all the boxes is the same, so I can add up these 2 boxes and I'll have 8 girls. So again, make sure you write it as a complete sentence. There are 8 girls in the grade. All right, I'm going to skip number 3 and go ahead and set up number 4, because number 4 is dealing with the part-to-whole ratio. So it says in this Dunn's library, the ratio of fiction, F, to nonfiction, N, is 5 to 3. So I'm going to put 5 boxes next to fiction and 3 boxes next to nonfiction. What I know is that there are 10 fiction books. So I know that these boxes up here are going to equal 10. So then I need to figure out what goes in each box. So we have 10 split up evenly into 5 boxes, which will be 2. Because the same number goes in all the boxes, I can put them in the boxes down here. Then the question asks how many total books were there. So I need to know how many books in all of the boxes together. So I have 10 up here, I have 6 down here. This equals 6. Total, sometimes you guys write on the side, is going to be 16. So the answer is 16 total books. Again, make sure you write a complete sentence. Try the rest on your own. Good luck.